All right, just going to work through a few of your problems today. First one says, well, it's the distance between the zeros. So that means the first thing you need to do is find your zeros. And remember, we do that by our X box. So negative 24 and negative 5. It's going to give me negative 8 and positive 3. Making our zeros 8 and negative 3. So remember, we can always subtract these, which is going to give you a distance of 11. If that distance is negative, you just drop the negative because distance can never be negative. Okay, number 2 is asking the value of the negative 0, so you're going to do the same thing. Okay, so I'm going to have a negative 6 and a positive 1, so that's 3 and negative 2. Those are going to be divided by 2, which makes our zeros negative 3 over 2 and positive 1. And since it's asking for the negative 1, we throw out the positive, and our answer is negative 3 over 2. Okay, number 3 is just like number 1. Number 5 is just like number 1. Okay, number 4 asks for the positive one, so it's just like number 2, except for you're looking for positive here, and then again in number 6 you're looking for negative. Okay, number 7 is asking you to solve here, so we're going to solve for W by saying we're going to divide by L. So W is just going to equal A divided by L. All right, and then for 8, 9, 10, all three of those, we're going to do those the same way. All of them have a y-intercept, so that means it's going to be 0, negative 2, and then negative 3, 4 here. So that's going to be negative 2 minus 4 and 0 minus negative 3. Negative 6 over positive 3 or negative 2 over 1. We're going to undo that whole thing. I read that problem totally wrong. That was our old thing we did. So let's go back, redo, rewind. Okay, slope of negative 2, so that just gives us y equals negative 2 is our slope. Okay, remember we're going to put that in slope-intercept form so that we can just get our y-intercept here. So that's going to be y minus 4 equals negative 2x minus 6, and move your 4. And the end result over here, the negative 2 is your y-intercept. So you'll be doing the same thing for problem 9 and number 10. All right, and then number 11 and 12 are our problems about profit and our domain. Okay, for number 11, they wanted you to write a function. Okay, so remember profit equals revenue. Revenue is what you bring in, so they're $1 each. Okay, minus how much you paid, which was our $2.50. So reasonable domain, remember they're selling 1,000 candy bars, so it's going to be from 0 all the way to 1,000, but we need to have that they are integers. Okay, and then down here for problem number 12, we're going to do the profit equals revenue minus cost. And I'll start that and I want you to finish it. Our revenue here is 15x and our cost is 3x plus 150. So remember to distribute that out and then put your final answer up here.